Hey babe, what are we doing?
We're sailing.
Yes we are. We just got finished eating dinner, and I think we're gonna go eat some ice cream. We're gonna get in the dinghy and hopefully get across the channel.
Not great. The one before that I could have thrown in.
I want to say hello because this is our video for this year.
Oh,
So we're hanging out with Russ and Nancy. Pretty wave.
hello, it's a wave time.
It's a wave time. We just ate our ice cream, and now we're all gonna go into our food comas, sugar comas, and go back to our boats and crash. Going the wrong direction. Supposed to be going north, but we're going south. 2021. Be a fun trip. 2020, whatever this year is. Ah. What are we doing today, bud?
Going for a walk, bud.
That was a Project Atticus reference, in case nobody got it. We watch them and we laugh. They call each other bud. So we're going to the beach. It's a long walk. In case we haven't said it enough time this video, we're going the wrong way. We're supposed to be going north, but we're going south.
But we're on an adventure either way.
Yes, we're on an adventure either way.
And getting fresh ice so we can have a martini.
Martini, yeah, it's probably going to be a drinking night. We haven't done much, we haven't done any drinking. So we were walking down to the beach, and then we were reading a sign, and we were going to go for this nice healthy hike. And then all of a sudden, from the distance, I saw the ice cream shop. We're taking the back way along some crazy mountain. One of the largest and oldest sand dunes in Michigan. And they were nice enough to put in 5,000 stairs to get to the top. So if you...
Or 200.
If you were tracking, for some reason I went and got ice cream and french fries before I did this little hike up the million stairs.
So if we go here, we won't get to the very top because we skipped the top.
Alright.
And then we can come out this way and come out here and go back home. Or if you want to go to the beach.
Alright. So we decided to hike this stupid trail. We were at the top. We decided to take a shortcut, which was supposed to loop us back around to the top so we could go to the top of the hill. And the shortcut I decided to take actually took us right back down to the bottom of the 9 million stairs that we have to climb up to go back to the top. So we're literally back at the starting point again. And
I'm gonna do it again.
And Fat Boy Slim here has to climb, I don't know what it is, 400 stairs again to get to the top of the stupid mountain we're at. And now what I'm more wondering is, how bad do I want to see the top of the stupid mountain? So, good times. See the
I
giant,
think part of it's the sun.
giant scar on the top of my head. Where
First casualty of the trip.
first casualty of the boat lines, where I found it with my head.
I think
Good
the
times.
first casualty happened the week before. Like,
Oh man. Yeah, I smacked my head pretty good on the lines in the back getting in the boat. And then Heather was, what were you doing? Oh, she was
buffing the back.
buffing the back of the boat, and the buffer slipped and hit her leg, and took a good gouge out of her leg. And then I pretty much smacked my head on that, then walked down in the cabin, smacked my head on a bolt on the ceiling. Then I stubbed my toe, and then I think I've stubbed my same freaking toe like 5 times in the last hour. So, good times. But here we are, the moments that we enjoy.
watching the sunset.
Watching the sunset,
Drinking a cup of hot tea.
drinking a cup of hot tea.
Look at those clouds, too. Oh,
These clouds are crazy.
so pretty.
Big cell tower in the middle.
Yeah,
Yeah. What is this, day 2?
day 2.
Yeah, lots more days left.
Many of them right here.
Many of them right here. Okay.
Okay, right now I'm standing at the back of the boat, and Wally is sitting down having a snack. And look, the wheel is steering itself. We got our autopilot working. Woohoo! Now sailing gets easy. This is the gravy life.
Someone turn the rolly waves on up here, out here. Okay. Someone turn the rolly waves. Wait, give it a second. Someone turn the rolly waves on out here, and as you can see from the background, it's a little bit wavy. So we left today, finally heading north, and yeah, it's a little crazy out here, so we just decided we're gonna motor for a while until the sea slate calms down a little bit. So here we are, trying not to puke all over the deck.
It's beautiful out here
But
today,
it is
though.
beautiful, yes.
It's comfortable temperature.
The waves are cute.
The waves are pretty. And it's supposed to be 0 to 1 foot right now. About every 3rd to 6th wave.
It's like 5 feet.
Like 5. Here we go! lightning and thunder, dinghy ride, pelting rain.
Check, and check.
Good times.
We just, went across the, we left.
That's sopping wet too.
That's sopping wet too. Here we go. Let's get rid of this. Oh. All right, back up here, camera stick. So let's see what we do. We were in Pent Water, we were walking around, and a big storm system came in. So we decided to
hightail it to the boat.
Yeah, the first time it rained, we were like, yeah, it won't be that bad. So we got down to the boat. Then I was looking at a boat down here, tooling around. And then there's lightning and thunder in the distance. And I was like, let's get on the dinghy and try to make it across. She's like, let's not do that. So about halfway across, it just rained sideways and soaked everything.
And lightning strikes everywhere.
Soaked everything.
There's probably 3 inches of rain in the bottom of the boat right now.
The dinghy, about
the dinghy,
3 inches of water in the dinghy. Of course, I don't know, had we not come back, there probably would have been 3 inches of water in this boat too, because our windows are leaking now all of a sudden, and we left two of the hatches cracked. Would have been fun. But we did get some chocolate from the
candy store,
so that was good. So, yeah, that's what we did today.
Yay!
Yay!
My hair got washed twice.
Yay, and we're wet. We're eating good. Smile, baby. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Curry.
Chickpea dumplings.
This is all going in the video.
Oh, it's taking it. How about it doesn't shrink all the way. There you go.
Let's tell the story about when I bought you your first digital camera and the first thing you did was take a picture of your toe.
Whatever.
We're sailing.
We're finally sailing.
We're sailing.
And look where we are. Muskegon Lake.
We're home. Best vacation ever.
We made it south to Holland and north to Petwater, but we have a little wind now and we're enjoying a nice downwind sail back towards the marina.